Hello, hello, hello. Ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How's everyone doing today? For us plays, yes, I have just started. This is only the beginning. How you guys doing? Happy Monday. Bitcoin's looking halfway decent. We're looking pretty good. We're looking okay. Alright. Probably let it go one more round. Maybe not. Should I cut it off right in the middle? Would that be kind of funny? I'm gonna do it. Alright. Happy Monday, guys. How's everyone doing tonight? Let's see. Yeah, Price Plays, we are just now getting started. Good sir. And, hey. You're saying 85616. You can start submitting daily close contest at 6:50 p.m. EST. So you gotta wait. Unless you become a channel member, then you can submit up to 1 hour early for the tier 1 channel membership. So, guys, Bitcoin is currently trading at 97,298 and 26 cents. Let's update our liquidation heat map and see what we got going on. Get some zoom. All right, we're looking at pretty decent. A lot of liquidity to the upside, which is what we want to see. We're at 96,791 for the first guy. 96,791. And then number 2, let me go with that, 96,648. And then number 3, right down here, 96,364. Okay, and then up to the upside. The bears, we got 98,071. Then we got 98,285. Then we got, ooh, I guess I shouldn't have. There we go. Yeah, looks good. Copy. Let me go straight to yellowish. 98,569. Nice. And then, last but not least, this big boy up here, we got 98,783. I'm going to do one more. This one right here. 98,925. 38 million. Is that what that was? 925? Yeah, yep. We are good. We are golden, guys. How's everyone doing today? Bitcoin dominance still struggling to get above 62%. Looking good. Hopefully we can break this support and continue to the downside. As of right now, we're just kind of observing this potential red dot setup on the 4-hour chart and the little market cipher Fu Manchu setup. See if that plays out into anything. We got ETH trading at 26.56, potential goodbye. Historic shorts on ETH recently. Teach, you said, yo, did you check out Gunship music? I feel like I did. I did. I feel like I checked it out on stream before. I got the tab open, though. I got the tab open elsewhere, so I'll take a look at it when I'm done with the stream. Always looking for new music. It's weird now. Now that I'm older, I feel like I can't find new music. I don't know how I found it before. My friends would listen to something or I'd hear something on the radio. Now when I listen to the radio, I just kind of get mad. Because it's just all commercials. I'm like, what is this? Blows my mind. And then when it's not commercials, it's like the same songs that they've been playing for like 15 years. Soul, still struggling to get above 200. Waterfly said, go ETH, fight. I think we're all cheering for ETH at this point. Janik said Gunship, like Tech Noir. That was one of the options on here, I believe. Yeah. Yep. Sol, I would like to see Sol hold 200. Total 3 is looking relatively decent. It is working its way up into the shit. When it hits the shit, we're hoping that the shit hits the fan, and then the fan flings it up and to the right, and then we'll all make money. That is the hope. I don't know if you guys tuned into yesterday's stream. We went through all of this potential, all this possibility. So, yeah, a little quick update for you guys there. Cardano is up 3.59% today. It looks just like everything else, though. It just depends on where it closed. For some reason, this one's up 3.59%. I'm a big Cardano guy, but I'm not going to sit here and be like, oh my god, Cardano's up more than ETH, because the charts look identical. So, it is what it is. SNEK, though. I will brag about SNEK. SNEK is up 4.24%. I loaded up on this bad boy while it was down low like this. I did receive my stick-a-SNEK in the mail, which I'm going to start sticking in potentially illegal places because this is considered vandalism. It's not a cult. It is a cult. Who am I kidding? It's a cult. I'm obsessed. SNEK is life. Anyways, moving on. XRP. Wait until I get my limited edition case of the Year of the Snake Energy. That's gonna be a whole episode. You guys are gonna hate that one. I'm pretty stoked for that. XRP is trading at $2.41, looking relatively decent. Somehow this thing's still holding up. Everybody had their doubts, and I don't know. I think it's kind of hilarious that it hasn't bombed yet, because everyone thought for sure this thing was going to pump up to new all-time highs and then go to zero. And everyone was going to get rugged, and they all were like, I pity the people, the XRP army. And, you know, sure, maybe the tokenomics aren't great. Maybe the people behind it aren't great. But the XRP army, they're getting a win right now. So we got to let them have it. More power to them. HBAR is trading below its little accumulation zone, which is not good. HBAR was curing cancer just a couple weeks ago. Now they're causing cancer. And I don't know. We'll have to see if they can recover from this. Teach said it's because JJ had an intro synthwave music, and I asked if he knew about Gunship. He said no. I suggested it to him. So here's the thing. I like my weirdo porno intro music right now, but I thoroughly enjoy the synthwave because it sounds sick. But the company keeps copywriting the video, and then I got to go through the whole appeal process because I purchased a license to use this song. I own the license to use this song, but when I use it, I get a claim, which is not a strike. It's different from a strike, but then I have to go through the process, and it's a pain in the ass. And I've given all the proper credit, so I'm gonna play it because I did my part. So they kiss my ass. This is my song, and it sounds cool. It's very Stranger Things. I feel like I'm getting ready. We're getting ready. Are you ready? Waterfly can't use a different song, and this is exactly why I can't use a different song. Right here. This song is just too cool. It makes you want to move. I don't know. I'm not going to play it too long. But it's a cool song. Plus, I already purchased the license, so they can kiss my ass. That's my damn song right now. Perez Plays said, so we can vote at 6. No. If you are a member, you can start voting at 5:50 p.m. EST, a channel member. Otherwise, you have to wait until 6:50 p.m. EST, and then the cutoff is 6:55 p.m. EST. Waterfly said he's gay. All right. Yeah, HBAR's struggling to get back into its little accumulation zone. But it's looking relatively good, just like everything else. SWE, I am looking for some performance out of SWE here. We got a little double bottom setup potential, and I want to see this thing start to rip. This could be the double bottom. Could maybe do a little more bottoming. I don't know. We'll see what plays out, if it even plays out that way at all. Perez Plays said, how do you got member? Okay, so in order to become a channel member, you... I actually don't know. There's an option to pay for a membership somewhere for you, specifically. But it's a paid thing. The lowest tier, I think, is $3. Show your support. Yeah, right here. You can go right here. Membership. Unlock members only perks. So in the chat, the little $ dealio, you go in here, you click membership, and then the tier 1 is the one where you can guess up to an hour early. So totally up to you. Waterfly said, don't do it. So yeah, we're looking for a potential double bottom out of Sweet. T-Chu said Sax and Monster in Paradise is awesome too. He also said, Janix said the sax in Dark All Day is fun. All right, I'll have to check that out. You guys are talking about this gunship music. All right, Ondo. Ondo has been performing very well lately. We've been keeping our eye on it. Currently trading at $1.32. It's been pretty sideways. It got a pretty decent sized dump. So it was at around $1.30. It got a nice breakout pump. And then it got the tariff dump, which wicked down violently. And then it recovered very well. And it's been chilling in this little recovery zone in between $1.30 and $1.45. So, Waterfly said JJ wants to be the next BitBoy. Don't encourage him. I do have an idea, actually, for a BitBoy episode where I inform you guys that I'm doing it, but nobody else knows. Like, any stranger to the channel won't know. And I'll have an episode where I just flip out the entire time. And then the concept will be that you guys will go share it around and be like, oh my gosh, look at this. This crypto streamer lost his tits on stream about Gary Gensler or whatever. And I don't know. I think that'd be super fun. Super fun to set up. Maybe we'll do that during the next 12-hour stream. But yeah, Ondo's been performing very well. It is a little bit lackluster this time around because it was the first to recover. Everything else is still mid-recovery. Ondo recovered already, and it's just kind of like waiting at the train station for everybody else to arrive. Ondo's there, man. Arrow is up 1.62%. It's a potential double bottom out of Arrow as well. This thing's been very lackluster performance as well. Waterfly said, what would you know about this? What would you know about tits? Oh. I know about tits. I know a lot about tits. Render is currently in a accumulation zone that we've been paying attention to. It's a big accumulation zone. It's between 4 and 6.6. But it held 4 beautifully. Nice psychological area. Wicked below it. If you got in during that wick, you would have been great. Perez Plays said, I'll be back at 6. It's not at 6. It's already 6:40. Perez Plays 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, you can enter the daily close. Waterfly said, ignore me, tequila. Fahid said, need moon soon. I believe, unfortunately, that it's either moon soon or I guess moon soon would be perfect because soon is subjective. So yes, I do believe moon soon. What time frame that's on? I don't know. Look how creepy. I can make my neck do like, I don't know. I'm getting sidetracked. Render. But yeah, Render held support at 4, looking good. Trading in its little zone, little accumulation zone. It does look like an inverse head and shoulders right here as well, which I don't know what that means. That means that it's potentially going to, what is that? 471? That's actually a pretty good trade. from here to 470. Let's just go for it. That's 7%. So if you did like a 10x, that'd be 70. Not financial advice, guys. I don't recommend leverage. I do enjoy leverage from time to time, but it's very low. I use like 4x max. Polkadot. Polkadot's been chilling. Pretty quiet. It's up 1.39% on the day. Cass actually recovered a little bit today. 7.6%. The problem is, from the local top, Cass is still down 30%. It was down 38%. They've recovered 8 of that. Tishu said Litecoin has been pumping. Is it the next ETF? Let's actually go take a look. Cass. I do believe there is an ETF filing from NASDAQ for Litecoin. Litecoin. Yeah, Litecoin's been doing good. I do have more information, though, on the ETF front. I'm assuming this week we're going to get a flood of ETF filings specifically because Cardano now has an ETF application. Grayscale has filed for a Cardano ETF. It's happening. You can't stop it. It's the future of finance. Tishu said, Litecoin has been pumping. Is it the next ETF? Greg said, ahoy, JJ and crew. Good day to all. What's going on, Greg? I've been keeping an eye on our bet. It got pretty spicy, I will say. It got pretty dang spicy. But I also realized that I made the bet, and we're already like majority of the way leaned in your favor. I was like, damn. I should have said like 107 or something. But it is what it is. I'm gonna stick to it. I might even offer double or nothing if you're willing to go for it. But right now I'm comfortable. Ahoy. Happy Monday. I hope your day's going good. Avalanche. Trading below its green legacy trend line. By legacy, I mean August of 2024. Kind of chilling right now. Looking relatively decent. I like what this pattern does because it's easy to point out. I call it the high heel pattern because it looks like a high heel. You know what I mean? It's the spike and then the curve. It's Adam Eve, whatever. Yeah. This also looks like a potential inverse head and shoulders. It's really small, but it probably looks decent on the 15-minute time frame. Chainlink. Chainlink's been holding up really well as well. Chainlink has a beautiful pattern at the moment. Beautiful pattern. Nice falling wedge. Broke out. Retest. Held the retest. Hopefully curling up right now. About to have a violent break to the upside. Doge is up 2.17%. Not crazy pattern on a Doge. Looks like it's filling some gap though. There was like a big liquidity gap because nobody bought or sold right here. This was just buying. Buy. And sure, there was volume, but there was no volatility. There's no points of interest. There's no established support and resistance. They've done that now. They've done that beautifully. So now maybe Doge has what they need to finally break 50 cents with conviction. Polygon Matic Pole, still doing its little sideways choppy chop thing. Same thing as ETH, Avalanche, Near, and Polkadot. Near, obviously, we just went through that. Chili's, curling up a lot better than some of those that I just mentioned. Silver, got a little choppy today. Market strategy, got a little choppy today. It's actually strategy now. My bad. Strategy. Chewy, you're early. You got 5 minutes still, my friend. DXY got a little bit pumpy today. NASDAQ got a little bit nothing today. And S&P got a little bit nothing today as well. Press F in the chat to pay respects to the Ask Fractal guys. The Ask Fractal served us well. We got a little decouple a couple weeks prior, but it still served us well. It served its purpose. And nothing but respect for the Ask Fractal. Yeah, Chewy, you got 5 more minutes. 4 more minutes now until the daily close contest begins. I should publicize the rules somewhere. Chewy said, bro, nobody can make a 5-minute window. If you tune into the whole live stream, you can. We used to get like 10, 15 people trying to enter at the same time. Now we get 3 if we're lucky. I don't know what happened, man. It probably doesn't help that I'm not working at the moment. I'm just chilling at home, so. But it is what it is. Whatever. People are busy. Bitcoin dominance still 61.58%. It looks okay. You know, I'm looking for something that I thought I brought in here with me, but I apparently did not. But yeah, ETH. I'm not mad at it. It's not impressing me though. Same with Sol. Total 3. I'm waiting for something to happen with Total 3, I suppose. Man, I can't move any of these things unless I move them one at a time. Chewy said, "Cause you only get 5 minutes to submit. It takes me longer than that just to wipe." Well, yeah, you can voice to text your guess within 5 minutes. That's a good window. If you are a channel member, you can guess up to 1 hour early. And that's just with tier 1. It looks like you guys are doing this on purpose so that I can shill the channel memberships. I'm just saying. It's kind of funny. Greg said, "A-hole, $5. If I win, I can buy a Miller Lite at the local bar and leave a 50-cent tip." Nice. All right. All right, I like it. I like it. So the bet between me and Greg, in case you guys are not caught up, Greg said that we're gonna retest 90K before 108K, and I said I actually disagree, and I said I'll make you a bet $5 that we hit 108K before we hit 90K, and he took the bet. He took the bait, and now hook, line, and sinker. I'm about to make $5. It got pretty close. It really did. It got pretty close. We got the 94,775. But now we're on the up and up, and I'm hoping that the white buffalo fractal is the fractal. Let me get back to our chart, go down to the 1 minute, because we got 32 seconds until the daily close contest begins. Get your guesses ready. 6:55 p.m. EST until 6:50 p.m. EST until 6:55 p.m. EST. Only 10 submissions. Unless you are a Cornerville Chad, then you can be in 11th, and you can also guess up to 1 minute past the deadline. If you are a resident of Cornerville or you just moved to Cornerville, you can guess up to 1 hour early as well. 5 seconds until entries begin. All right. Daily close contest has begun. Get your guesses in. 10 can enter, only 1 will win. It is free to play. If you get closest without going over, you win bragging rights. If you nail the first 5 digits, you win $15. If you nail all 7, you win either $100 or a special prize, which will more than likely be merch. Waterfly said so many rules. There used to not be rules. Very early on, there was no rules. There's rules because I do this every day, and I'm poor. I can't have you guys getting too many upper hands. I will say, the fact that Hoffs has guessed over twice by 1 penny shows me that it can be done. You can guess the exact number 5 minutes prior. Fahid has also gotten within like $2 more than once. So Chewy said there used to be more submitters before the rules too. I don't think it's the rules, man. I think people just stopped giving a crap about my stream. Random is golden, all random. Gave a submission. Very cool. Did I get Waterfly? I did not get Waterfly. Okay. 97,464. 97.5, 555, 320. Okay, so Greg goes underneath Chewy. 97,464. Okay. So far we are in order. We got Janix submission, 97,290 and a penny. Janix is the first person to include. Oh no, he's not. Waterfly is the first person to include change. 97,290, 290. Janix is taking the safe approach. Possibly win some bragging rights here. You might even win it all. We got 5 entries, 5 remaining, unless you are a Cornerville chat, in which case you could be an 11th entry. We got 9 people watching, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining me. Happy Monday. You got 3 minutes until the guessing for the daily close contest closes. I'm going to tag Perez Plays because he seems to not understand what time he's supposed to be here. Okay. Whew. Oh, we got a submission from Fahid, entering just in time. For some reason, Hoff stopped showing up. There's no Super Bowl happening today. Ooh, a big green candle. Very nice, very cool. Fahid, 97,378, so he goes above Janix. Oh, Janix has a comma. There we go, got rid of it. Waterfly said I should be under Chewy. Waterfly, 97.5. You are correct. You are correct, Waterfly. So should Random. Actually, Greg should just be under Random. Copy. 378. 320. Okay, so he should be under Fahid as well. All right, let's see. We got less than 1 minute remaining. 58 seconds. Fahid said, but why am I under Waterfly? I don't know. I'll figure it out when I'm done. Random said, JJ, I got a weird request. If I super chat you 20 bucks, will you send me some soul for it? That's all I got, LOL. I think I can manage that. Maybe. I'm not gonna do it on stream though. Well, yeah, I guess I have to, because you'd have to super chat me 20 bucks. Yeah, I can help you out. But YouTube takes a chunk of the 20 bucks that you super chat me. Here's the thing, Random is golden. Instead of super chatting me 20 bucks, go in the description and Cashapp me 20 bucks. Time's up for the daily close contest, by the way, guys. Ainsley James said Block V is going to take over the crypto world coming soon. Actually, you know what? No, Random. Go ahead and super chat me 20 bucks because I'm almost at my threshold to receive what's there. So I'll take the cut from YouTube. I'll just eat it. So yeah, super chat me 20 bucks. Let me know what your soul address is and I'll hook you up. Waterfly said, careful you don't get the full 20. Yeah, I know that. I'm aware. YouTube is greedy, man. They take like 33% or something. But it is what it is. The cost of doing business. Fahid said, I think my math is bad now. My math is definitely effed up right now. All right, let's get these in order. Time's up for all super chats. Or not super chats, I'm sorry. Time's up for all daily close contest submissions. 97.555, 97.5 even, 97.464, 97.378, 320, and 97.290. Okay, I got them all in order, right? 290, 320, 378, 464, 5, and 555. Yeah, yep. Greg said YouTube and their take sucks. Like they don't make enough from BS scam ads. Ainsley said, look up Block V chart. Its ticker is V. It's pretty awesome. I will look that up. Yeah, I'll go look that up right now, sure. Is it a Memecoin? Block V token. The one on ETH? Ooh, dang. January 23rd. It's up 664%. Holy crap. That's pretty crazy. Bitcoin's currently trading at 97,409 and 78 cents. We got less than 3 minutes remaining for the daily close contest. At the moment, closest without going over is Fahid. Again, is he going to keep up his winning streak? Is he going to nail it today and win potentially $100? Only time will tell. 97,415 and 10 cents. Fahid is 97,464. Or no, he's not. 97,378. Ainsley said it's going to be massive. It looks pretty massive right now. 241 million market cap. What does it do? World's leading smart NFT protocol? Ooh. Okay. Maybe I'll check that out. Check that out after the daily close contest. I can't talk right now. Something's going on. I had Taco Bell, and now my tongue doesn't work. Here we go. We got less than 2 minutes remaining. Sorry, Perez plays. For not, I don't know. I tagged you. I tried to help you out. Tried to hook you up. Can't win them all. Unless you're Fahid. Fahid apparently can win them all. Hey, Random is Golden said thanks, bro. Appreciate you, Random is Gold. Yeah, let me know where you want me to send that. 6:58 p.m. Less than 2 minutes remaining. Okay. Gotcha. Copy. Oh, Philly, you can't get your guess in. You're too late, my friend. Sorry. Less than 1 minute remaining. This is it. 44 seconds. All right. 97,430 and 82 cents. 28 seconds remaining. If this is the close, then Fahid would win. It is Price is Right rules, closest without going over. Yeah, Random is Golden. I'll send you that in a minute. Chewy said Super Chat me 20 and I'll send you an ETH. Billy said my Bitcoin gas. Waterfly said send in my wallet. Perez plays. Yeah, Perez plays. I'm sorry. I tried to tag you. It's 6:50 p.m. EST is when you can start entering, and then 6:55 p.m. is the deadline. I did say that a couple of times. And there it is. That's the close. 97,430 and 82 cents. Closest without going over is Fahid again. Congratulations, Fahid. What is it? 97,430 and 82 cents. Guys, spam the bananas in the chat for Fahid. This is his second win in a row. Fahid is killing it. Absolutely killing it. He gets closer and closer every single day. Eventually, he is going to win. He's been setting it up perfectly so that it's not too obvious that he actually knows what the exact price is going to be. Fahid is officially beating Hoffs. He has 4 wins for 2025. Will he be dethroned or will he take the prize at the end of the year? Only time will tell. All right, let me send this 20 bucks to our friend. Random is Golden. Let me copy. Random is Golden. Do me a favor. Send that wallet address one more time. Okay. Copy. All right, I gotcha. Fahid said finally. Waterfly, now finally. He's been trying to get ahead of Hops or something. Send crypto. Hoff said I missed breastplate. Said JJ, what did you think from the TikTok ban? I didn't have much of an opinion, to be completely honest. Chewy said Hoff's had an all-day hangover. What is going on? Transactions. Bought soul, yeah. Show me, where's my soul? There we go, okay. Send crypto. Paste the contract, or the wallet address. Solana. Max. $20.30. Send now. Alright, here we go. Yes. Bam. View details. Alright, as soon as I have a transaction hash, I will put it in the chat for you. But for now, I think I can show you this. See if it works the way that I think it's going to work. Ready? Yeah. Okay, sick. Okay. So there you go. Billy said, "Oh, JJ, where's the Trump dump? It never happened." It definitely happened. Random is golden. All random said, "Thank you, man. I'm broke other than that little bit of Google Play balance I had. So let's hope I win big with this. Good luck, my friend. Godspeed. I believe in you. I know the struggle with the transaction thing, so I got no problem hooking you up, helping you out. I've had stupid shit like that before, where I've needed to move money out of somewhere for something and something or other, you know. Sometimes that stuff just happens." I think the soul is going to arrive in your wallet quicker than I actually freaking get a transaction hash. This is crazy. It still says it's still grayed out on Coinbase if you want Block Explorer. It says pending though. 12 minutes. That's crazy. Coinbase is something else, man. All right, congratulations, Fahid Hoffs, my good friend, for missing the daily close contest. Fahid has officially lapped you. You and him were tied for 4 wins for 2025. Fahid has 5 now. Or maybe it was 3. Was it 3? Let me double check. Fahid had 1, 2. Hang on. 1, 2. Am I crazy? Yeah, okay, so Fahid has 4 right now. Apparently I'm blind. He did have 3 though, so it was tied. Hoffs had 3 and Fahid had 3. Now Hoffs has 3 and Fahid has 4. Whenever numbers get involved, man, my brain just stops working. But congratulations, Fahid, for whooping Hoff's ass. Fahid also has a great taste in music and sandwiches, which Hoffs is also lacking, unfortunately. Random said, "Don't worry about it, man. I see it. It showed up. Thank you." All right, cool. Glad that it showed up. See, what's Coinbase doing though, man? That's crazy. That is, it blows my mind that you receive the money before I even have like a receipt. There's no proof to me that I said that. Right now, it's just this stupid little fake thing from Coinbase, and it says pending. If you disappeared, I would have no way of knowing that you ever got your money. And what if that was important? I don't know. It's crazy to me, man. Coinbase needs to get their crap together. Like a multi-billion-dollar company bringing in however much money a day, and they can't even give me a transaction hash instantly. It's not hard. But he said, when Solana summer? There was a picture of, it was a meme of dogs wearing human clothes, and it like flashed a bunch of different dogs wearing human clothes, and they were like, they had the pants on, like they looked like it was a standing up human. Like they put the dog on a stool and they set it all up like a person. And one of the shirts said Solana. And I was like, oh shoot. It was just out in the wild, a random meme. And there was a Solana shirt. And I was like, oh. I did the thing, the Leo DiCaprio thing where he's like. Hoff said, it depends what it is. Philly said, congrats, Fahid, cheating ass. Fahid said, thanks, Philly. I just fast forward the live stream. That's how I cheat. That's funny. That's a good one. That's a good one. Hoff said, you talking about this trash Super Bowl show? Dude, that Super Bowl show was so amazing. Kendrick literally, like, told everyone that they voted for the wrong president. And then he called Drake a pedophile. Oh my gosh, that was so good. That was so good. So freaking good. If you didn't like it, I don't know what to tell you. It was a sick show. Imagine dissing your, like, imagine your diss being so good that the Super Bowl is like, we want you to play this at the Super Bowl. Damn. And imagine being the other guy. Imagine Drake sitting at home just like, make it stop. What a little bitch. That was too good, man. Too good. All right, Bitcoin. Bitcoin's looking good. We're getting some green again. Another green day, perhaps? Is it going to do what it did the other day, though? The other day, it closed and it went like, whoa! It went all kinds of crazy. Emotions were high. Everybody hated Donald Trump for a minute. Like this week right here, man, nobody was safe. Nobody was safe. Everyone hated him. It got crazy, man. People were talking crap. It was kind of fun. I'm not gonna lie. I enjoyed it. I'm not a big fan of politicians on either side. But if you mess with my bags, we're gonna have a problem. But we're good. We're good right now. We're good. We're good. Bags are looking like they're trying to recover. So as long as they stay that way, I'll keep my mouth shut. He's a great guy, no matter what color he is. Greg said, yeah, that's 20 minutes I'll never get back. I can't believe you guys aren't invested in that beef. I didn't even know who Kendrick Lamar was. Like, I'd heard his name, probably heard a handful of his songs, but when Not Like Us came out, man, that was a good song. I'm outspoken, anti-pedophile, as I'm sure most of you are, and I think Drake's one of the weird ones. Billy said, JJ, your bags are fine. There was no Trump dump. There very much was a Trump dump. Twice. There's two right here. This one and this one. As small as this one was, it was significant to alts. It was significant to some alts. Hoff said, tariff talk starting not to affect markets as much. Wait until the end of the month. Hopefully I'm talking about nothing burgers right now, but I agree though. I agree. And maybe that's the whole thing. There's a bunch of ETFs being filed right now though, and a bunch of institutions getting in. Freaking what's it called? Is it Tesla? Tesla started buying Bitcoin again. So like it's almost as if they wanted the prices really low so that everybody could buy some and then they could do the mega pump. You know what I mean? KMB Golf said the Donnie Deferment Grit coin where all the Trump crypto bros got rugged by the cult leader. LOL. Random is golden. All random said, JJ, what's your outlook on Solana? I feel like since the Trump coin took place, is going to be bigger. What do you think? Okay. So me and Sol go way back. I used to hate Solana. I used to hate it. For no reason other than the fact that the Solana people were pissy towards my people. My people are the Cardano people. But I've since removed the stupid bias from my brain. I've used Solana. I bought meme coins on Solana. I've been right. I've probably lost more money than I've made on Sol. But it's fun. It's fast. It's efficient. It's cheap. And it's fun. And it's enjoyable. It's everything that I feel like crypto should be, all wrapped up into one ecosystem. I think Solana is the ecosystem of retail. I think anybody that thinks different is brain dead and blind and stupid. And I think Solana is going to do great. The fact that, like what you said, Donald Trump, regardless of whether or not it was him, it looks like he made the decision to host his meme coin on Solana. Whatever that freaking Central African Republic made the decision to host their meme coin on Solana. All of these entities are putting meme coins on Solana. They're not building them anywhere else. Sol, Greg just said Sol will replace ETH. I agree. I actually genuinely agree. One of my favorite quotes is from Drew, actually, one of the subscribers, good friend of mine, prior to me even becoming a YouTuber. He said, last bull market, Ethereum did not have to compete with Solana. And he's right. And that is why ETH BTC looks like garbage on the long term. Let me show you this. Trash. This is trash. And I've tried to help it. I've tried to help it manifesting, with with bullish fractals. Nothing works, man. This looks like garbage. September 15th, 2022. Let's actually use that as a metric. Then look at Sol BTC. I don't even know if I need to do anything with this. Look at that. This is a fractal from Ethereum during last bull market, I think. And Sol did that. What did I do? September 15th, 2022. September 15th. Sure, right there. Oh, shit. I picked the wrong line. So from there, look at that. The price was down here. It's up since then. It is up since then. The price dipped, and then it went up, and it went sideways. ETH BTC. Since then, what has the price done? It has gone down. It looks like crap. So that right there tells me everything that I need to know. The other metrics that I like to look at is who's making money. Ethereum's making money, but just recently, Sol started making more money. What does that tell me? ETH fees are aggressive. They're large. Let's say, on average, an ETH fee is $25. And a Sol fee is like, let's just say it's expensive. Let's say it's 25 cents for Sol. That is, what, 1/100th? So, in order for Sol to make more money than ETH, they need to be having 100 times more people transacting. And this is me inflating Sol's and probably deflating ETH's average fee. Sol just recently started making more money than Ethereum on fees, and that's because there's a shit ton more people transacting on Solana. Nobody wants to use ETH anymore. They realize, oh, this is expensive and dumb and wasteful and slow, and they're not making any changes. When on Solana, it's just a freight train of innovation and speed and good fees and DeFi, like everything. Everyone's like, well, People like DeFi and Ethereum. No, they freaking don't. That's all that they know. People are leaving Ethereum for Solana, and maybe that'll change. Supposedly, Vitalik has implemented some upgrade that actually made Ethereum fees cheaper. And maybe if that happens soon enough, maybe they can take back some market share. But as of right now, they look stupid. And I would not be surprised if XRP flipped Ethereum and then Sol flipped both of those. That would not surprise me. But we'll see. We'll wait and see. We'll see what happens, man. But as of right now, I think Ethereum has made a complete ass of itself, and I think something else deserves second place. That's my 2 cents. Greg said Soul replace ETH. Billy said JJ, start practicing your ether pronunciation. Greg, eek. Don't you even try it. Random said, that's kind of what I was wondering, if Soul would replace ETH. I would love that, dude. People calling for 1K Soul? That seems genuinely, like, reasonable. Maybe not. Maybe that's a little out of the question. So it would need to be a quarter of the market cap of Bitcoin in order for it to be a 1,000. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if demand goes through the roof, ETFs come out, and there's some kind of supply squeeze or some big burn or something like that, and people just start pouring money into crypto. We'll see. I mean, what's it at right now? 200? It just needs to do 5 times more of that? I don't know, man. Anything's possible. Anything is possible, especially in crypto. Greg said, yes, ETH BTC, since ETH switched to piece of shit September 22nd from proof of work, or September 2022 maybe, from proof of work is an epic dive into the abyss. Janix said, Gwei is 88 cents right now, maybe the cheapest I have ever seen. They allegedly implemented something that has caused that. But I, right now, think it's too little too late. And maybe I'm wrong. Maybe they have all these implementations and everything's good to go. But it's whatever. Hoff said, I'm getting fed up. I feel like switching half of my ETH to XRP and Sol. XRP scares me, man. It really does. But hey, man, you got to do what you're comfortable with. For sure. I will say there is a historic amount of shorts right now on ETH, and I feel like that's the biggest trap ever. Regardless of whether or not the tech is there, it's too easy for them to liquidate some horny bears. And all the ETH FUD would be the best way to do it, man. The best way to do it. Everyone's like, ETH is going to zero. You get another GameStop scenario, a bunch of big dumb Wall Street execs thinking like, oh, this thing's gonna go to zero. Everyone says it sucks and I use it, and guess what? It does suck. Ha ha ha. Open a big short. And then they get liquidated because the market maker's like, oh, is this a couple $1 billion for the taking? We can pump that price up. And then boom, liquidation. Greg said, I'd stay away from XRP too. Why? About 50% of all XRP pre-mined is held by Ripple Labs escrow and early insiders. Jeb McCaleb had over 5 billion XRP and has systematically dumped hundreds and millions in 6 years. Vahid said, like the stream and subscribe. I feel like Greg has that entire message like just on his clipboard ready to copy paste. He's informed so many people in the chat of that. I do like that we have informative people in the chat though, like legit. I feel like it helps. It's cool to see. But yeah, guys, smash the like button. I appreciate you. It goes a long way. The biggest way that you can support the channel is smashing the like button. We got 15 people watching right now. I feel like we can hit 15 likes. You guys can press a button. It's easy. I got a couple articles to read for you guys. Let's go back to Bitcoin right now. We're just chilling at 97,688 and 77 cents. Bitcoin dominates itself. Indecisive candle. Hopefully we get some red and it starts to break to the downside. As of right now, though, it is holding horizontal, or it's holding rising support to the downside. And we do have some resistance at 62% to the upside. Let's go through our articles. Shield your eyes. At the moment, I cannot initiate any kind of dark mode on these websites, so it's very bright. Michael Saylor's Strategy bags first Bitcoin purchase under new name. Strategy's fresh 7,633 Bitcoin purchase came days after the firm rebranded from MicroStrategy last week. Major corporate Bitcoin holder Strategy announced its first Bitcoin acquisition after rebranding from MicroStrategy last week. I do like what they did there. They said MicroStrategy is no longer buying Bitcoin, and then they rebranded to Strategy, and they're like, Strategy, though. Strategy is buying Bitcoin. That was clever. Strategy acquired 7,633 Bitcoin at the price of $97,255 per Bitcoin between February 3rd and February 9th, according to a Form 8K filing released on Monday, February 10th. The fresh Bitcoin purchase came days after the company officially rebranded to Strategy on February 5th, highlighting its focus on a Bitcoin corporate treasury strategy. Since making its first Bitcoin purchase in August of 2020, Strategy has now accumulated a total of 478,740 Bitcoin, which it has acquired at an average price of $65,033 per Bitcoin. Strategy's Bitcoin yield is at 4.1% year to date. According to the filing, Strategy's Bitcoin yield, a key performance indicator representing the percentage change of the ratio between its Bitcoin holdings and assumed diluted shares, amounted to 4.1% in the period from January 1st to February 9th, 2025. On February 5th, Strategy reported that its Bitcoin yield for 2024 amounted to 74.3%, which is significantly higher than expected in 2025. After recording a $670 million net loss in the fourth quarter of 2024, the company lowered its Bitcoin yield target to 15% for 2025. Additionally, Strategy's Bitcoin gain in the period from January 1st to February 9th was around $1.8 billion, or nearly 18% from $10 billion of newly targeted gains in 2025. Very cool. You love to see it. Ethereum short positions surge 500% as hedge funds bet on decline. Ethereum may also lack fundamental blockchain activity for an Ether price recovery, analysts told Cointelegraph. Hedge funds are increasing short positions against Ethereum as the world's second largest cryptocurrency struggles to gain momentum. Ethereum has struggled to gain momentum over the last year, rising only 5.9%, underperforming compared to Bitcoin, which surged 104% according to Cointelegraph Markets Pro. Short positions on Ethereum have risen more than 500% since the U.S. presidential election in November 2024, according to data shared by Kobeissi letter in a February 10th X post. The financial newsletter wrote, short positioning in Ethereum is now up 40% in 1 week and 500% since November 2024. Never in history have Wall Street hedge funds been so short of Ethereum, and it's not even close. Look at that. Woo! We saw the effects of this extreme positioning on February 2nd. Ethereum fell 37% in 60 hours as the trade war headlines emerged, the post added. Ethereum has underperformed Bitcoin largely due to its extreme positioning, which may result in a short squeeze. This occurs when the price of an asset makes a sharp increase, prompting short sellers to buy Ethereum to avoid greater losses. Ethereum pressured by L1 altcoin dilution, unlike Bitcoin. While Bitcoin is recognized as the digital gold of the industry, Ethereum faces growing competition among other Layer 1 blockchains. This may be another fundamental reason for Ethereum's underperforming Bitcoin price, according to James Woe, the founder and CEO of venture capital firm DFG. He told Cointelegraph, Ethereum is competing with multiple other high-performance Layer 1 tokens. Given that there are so many new chains being launched, the dilution for alts is worsened, which has not helped in Ethereum's lackluster price action. Ethereum still has the largest ecosystem in DeFi and is home to many well-established protocols such as Uniswap, Lido, and Aave. When on-chain activity picks up again, we can expect Ethereum's price action to improve. See, my big problem with that is Lido is just staked Ethereum. That's like the whole thing with Terra and their stablecoin. It's the same thing. They're kind of like circle jerking themselves. I think it's kind of funny when they try to count that on CoinMarketCap as well. Fahid said, like the stream. Greg said, been in Bitcoin crypto since 2015. Years of being schooled by shitcoins. I don't want to rain on anyone's parade or be a poo-poo head, but look at the Bitcoin weekly chart. It's just that, weak. So I'm butting out until the chart resolves, which may take several days or weeks. Okay. I appreciate the input. And that might be the right move. But I think number go up. I'm placing my bet on this white buffalo fractal. And I think that the doom will officially end. Will be pretty pumpy February 14th. When do I think I'm gonna get paid for my bet? I think my bet's gonna get paid on February 20th. How about this? If I nail the can we do a bet where I nail the date and I get paid more? Like if it's on February 20th, will you give me an extra $5? Because I like that concept. We'll see. I don't know if Greg's here anymore, but if he is, we'll change this if he answers. He said if it hits 108K on the 20th, I'll make it 20. All right. I like it. I like it. $20 payout. If it breaks, so it has to be, this has to be the first time. It can't like hit 108K earlier and then go to 108K on the 20th. It has to be the first time since today that it breaks 108K on February 20th. All right. I like it. It's getting spicy. Well, we'll have to spice things up post tax time. See if we got any more fun wagers that we can set up because I'm enjoying this. I think this is fun, even if I lose. Yeah, man. I don't know. There's something about the fractal. I feel it in my giblets, and I've been wrong before. So I'm willing to accept it if I am incorrect. But I am the fractal Farquad, so you gotta be pretty ballsy to wager 25 whole dollars on a bet with the fractal Farquad. Come on, Bitcoin dominance is turning red. It's looking good. Where's Ondo? Ondo's been choppy, man. It's been a little bit choppy. Cass is up 1.5. See, Cass is actually finally starting to improve. Starting to get mildly impressed here. All right. Don't forget to congratulate Fahid for winning the daily close contest. Congratulations, Fahid. I don't think Fahid ever got us banana spam. At least not from me. That's for you, Fahid. A little banana spam for you. Banana spam sounds disgusting. Really quick, another quick shill. Grayscale has filed for a Cardano ETF. It's probably nothing. Let's see, liquidation heat map. If it's changed at all, do a quick update of this bad boy. Go to the 12-hour. I just finished, I caught up on Cobra Kai, and I think on Thursday is when the rest of it comes out. I'm super stoked, super excited. I thought it was already out already. I was expecting the last episode to have been the one that I just watched, but apparently it's not. It like ended, and I was like, that's not the end of the show. All right, we got 96,791. Yep, and above 98,071. Yep. 98,285. Yep. 569 and 783 and 925. I don't know actually. 98, 285, 569, which is now 427. Okay. Oops, 427. Okay. So there's a little gap forming there. And then we got, I'm just going to get rid of the middle one, 98, 783, and then 925. Yeah. Oh, it's just that one that moved. Okay. I like it. So we got our liquidation points. More liquidity above than below, which is good. That means potentially numbers are going to go up and grab that liquidity. Now, is there going to be more liquidity below afterwards? I don't know. That's very possible. I forgot to open up a trade. Damn it. Well, now I feel like I fumbled the bag. Okay, I still got my other trade. We're good. It's less disappointing than I thought it was. Deck screener. So we got that weird oh, where did it go? There it is. Central African Republic Memecoin, which I think is real. Maybe, but it definitely did not perform that well. And yeah, Bitcoin's green. Hopefully Bitcoin dominance continues to the downside. Everything else looks relatively green, and it looks like we're in a potentially good spot. Having said that, I'm probably going to call it a night. As always, if Bitcoin starts to do anything crazy, I will hop back on. Otherwise, I will see you all tomorrow. I appreciate you guys for stopping by. Smash the like button. Greg said, what, a $20 limit order at 108K? All right. Yeah. Smash the like button on your guys' way out. Share the stream with your like-minded crypto friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. And happy Monday. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Good night.